Hello. Here's the system. You kind of general roll the door. The wire out of the way. It's a MCC3, as you can see. Right, reset. So first reset, we've got this light on, which is limit set, and this light, which is code set. Now, if I press the up, stop, down, that's it. That's all you get. A lot of noise. And now the green button, which is the down button, is flashing. If I press again, it moves up a little bit, and then 6 and 7 start flashing. Press reset. Down again. Now that's got the down light, but even if I press the limit set, nothing works. So that doesn't work either. And then so that's it right up at the top. If I pull this down a bit, and block that, press the reset button. Now again, 6 and 7 flashing, reset. This is how far it moves. That's all it will move. And you can't actually, that says down, but even if you want to set that as a limit, I know it's not down, but you can't set a limit stop. So any clever ideas on that, much appreciated.